another tall, really
Mike's
fun day,
home.
right? Yo, Shane just waiting to go to the movies now. We're gonna go to the movies later. We don't know who's gonna go to the movies.
I'm going to the movies again.
Yep. Yep, movies. Don't hit me! You're supposed to... Ah! Boom! It was a real time! You can't catch it. What are we doing? Get it!
Oh God! What else are we gonna do?
Or a tree. The tree works here. Okay, I'm going to get it. Okay. Go get it. Okay, it's not right. Oh. 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 Hold on. Ow. Ow. I'm about to wear my t-shirt. Yeah, no. No, I'm wearing white, so it's not that white. Oh, yeah, I'm wearing white. Go.
Oh God! Ah!
Okay, if you could catch it, it would be bravo. If you could throw it to me, it'd be bravo too.
I'm not doing the drama, so it should be bravo. It should be a good job.
I was not stripping for the camera. Catch that.
Oh yes!
Woo! Hey, what the heck? Still here? I'm not that tall. We were playing with this in Walmart.
Oh,
I know.
I
And riding tricycles. And riding tricycles with some hula hooping.
We're shaking our hula hoop.
Oh, Vinny couldn't hula hoop either. I got it.
I was riding a Barbie tricycle.
Taylor was getting the yellow thing.
And then the balls and that really cute dude. The balls.
The ball throwing the balls at the dude right there. Yeah, the camera's right.
I don't know.
I want to go swimming.
Shay doesn't.
Not in the pool. I want to swim in like car coming, so I'm going to be careful. No! Not taken from me!
Abusive?
This is the... This is the They just stepped in an ant bed. Yeah, but there's none on her shoes. Come here, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Come here, come
What
here.
camera?
Pull it out here, come here. Right here, right here. Say hello and tell them your name.
Hello, camera.
Tell them your name. They don't know who you are.
His name is Roger the old man.
It's going on YouTube.
His name is Roger the old man.
It's going to
Yeah,
the
okay,
people.
I'm the old man.
Yeah, he's the old guy. He is 40 years old.
I am
No,
not
he's
40 years old.
He's like 38. Was that right?
Yes.
Yeah! He is 40.
He looks
He's an old
40.
dude. Ow, and he's smoking. Okay, whoever's made a minute.
Where's the ant pig? Yo, hold on, I gotta find this pine cone. Holy poop! Oh my God, my finger!
No ordinary pine cone. Dramatic. It hurts.
Yeah.
I'm touching it. Weird pine cone.
I stepped on a pine cone finger.
Well, this is pine cone and it's got spikes.
Yeah, and it hurts.
Yeah.
Especially when you go and pick up and don't think it hurts.
I don't want to in the air. That's not the air. If you go in the air so you don't go forward, you go out. Let's step on that.
A pine cone.
Dude, where did you?
Up there.
I have my arm.
Where's the ant, babe?
Right there. Go step in it.
There's
Whoever.
an ambulance going on.
Oh.
You can't see them though. They're on.
Yeah, you can get it.
Woo! It's my dress. I like it.
Oh, yeah. It's
Hey, it
gorgeous.
actually works in my dress.
I just shirt.
Me tree is too big to shake, too.
Okay, give me a pine cone. Okay, that's not a hard pine cone. Give me a stick. Okay, the shelving's coming down. I got nothing getting it down. Where's it at? Where's it at? Go over there.
Y'all, we lost it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and I made the door while I was trying to go in.
I threw it a little far down.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to throw things at it to get it down.
Okay.
Oh, are you kidding me? God.
I can't throw that high.
Where is it?
Right there.
Y'all give me something. Okay, so I threw the yellow thing up and it got